Some frogs can literally freeze solid, survive for months as little frog popsicles, and then thaw out and hop away like nothing ever happened. Their secret? Antifreeze blood that would make your car jealous. When winter hits, these frogs let ice crystals form all around their organs and even inside some tissues. Most animals would be toast, but these amphibians have evolved to crank out massive amounts of glucose in their blood, acting just like natural antifreeze. Instead of dying from the cold, the frog's vital organs are protected by this sugary shield, preventing ice from piercing cells and causing fatal damage. Their heart stops, they stop breathing, yet they're not dead, just waiting for a springtime reboot. As soon as the temperature rises, their bodies slowly thaw, their hearts start beating again, and within hours, they're back to hopping around the forest floor as if waking up from a nap, not a months-long deep freeze.